Hello everyone, this is Sunil from Clean and Exterior Clean Melbourne. I want to show you this. This is an outdoor table that a lady has. She was considering to have it cleaned up, and so I suggested that we do a test spot for her to give her an idea of what it would look like. So down here, just on these legs, you can see, okay, this is beautiful original color coming back, you can see. Now this is not a bleach solution. Do not use bleach on wood. You will damage it and you'll whiten it. It's not a good idea. So have a look at this leg here. I hope you can kind of see that. We've got lovely kind of reds, browns, and even, you know, kind of dark browns coming through. This is the original grain of the wood. The chemical that we use for this is really safe for wood, and it needs to be applied, and we agitate it a little bit, obviously in line with the grain, and then we let it sit for probably 10 minutes, depending on how bad the growth is, and then we basically rinse it off. So we don't use any high pressure on this, and I'm absolutely wrapped with the results. The funny thing is that in this situation, the client actually wishes to retain this kind of blacky grey finish, so she likes that. So there you go. But anyway, if you do have outdoor furniture that you want to have restored, give us a call. We can help you, and we can use a safe, and the chemicals we use are safe. They're absolutely safe for the environment. So we're not using anything harsh, and we can help you restore it to a beautiful space. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.